Hello, this is my Max patch, and I will show you all the functionalities. Well, first I will uh, select the folder. I will select it in the desktop. I will say activity one, activity one, and I will put it in WAP. Then I play save, and then I hit record. Then I will load a sample. In this case, I will use a song of mine in order to maybe copyright issues. Well, I will add this, and then when I hit Q, it will start with sound. I will put all this down except one, this to 0. So then
Un guayeteo, sobeteo en la lenta. Vamos pa' locura en caleta, no se dan cuenta. Ven, fúmale al pama y la
and first I will explain that every fader to the right is controlling the dry wet signal of the delay, in this case of the plugin, in this case of the cycle, in this case of the EQ, and the speed doesn't have an fader. So, well, let's hear it. And I will record it so I can attach it in the project file.
Un guayeteo, sobeteo en la lenta. Vamos pa' locura en caleta, no se dan cuenta. Ven, fúmale, un guayeteo, sobeteo en la lenta.
Now there you can hear absolutely the delay. Then I will add this plugin that is a reverb. You control the time and the whiteness here. So when this at 100%, I can add with the fader, and you can start listening the reverb. Then I will add the cycle. You can hear how it distorts the sound. And well, then the EQ. You can hear the low pass. And also if you get it up, well, it sounds a lot. And the speed, the only aspect that you need to is you need to move it with the arrows on your keyboard, because if not, you're going to get so messy. And well, that's all. And when I hit Q, it will stop and record. And that's all. And then here you'll have the WAP activity one, the one that we just recorded. And yeah, that's all for my patch. Thank you.